Ceramic coating and paint protection film, also known as PPF. These terms get thrown around a lot, and are they the same thing? Which one do you need as a vehicle owner, and can you do both? I'm James from Hadrian's Vehicle Services, and today I'll clear up the confusion. So what actually is ceramic coating? Ceramic coating is a liquid that bonds to the paintwork, creating a hard glass-like layer on the actual paintwork itself. It protects against UV damage, chemical stains, light scratches and swirl marks, water spots and bird droppings. Now what it doesn't do is protect against stone chips, prevent deep scratches, physically kind of block impacts on the paintwork. Think of it as a very durable, very slick varnish for the actual paintwork. So what is PPF? Paint protection film is also kind of a clear bra it's named, is a physical film applied to the paintwork. It's usually urethane, clear and self-healing. It protects against stone chips, scratches, road debris, bug impacts, and most PPF has self-healing properties. Light scratches disappear with heat, sun or warm water or a heat gun as well. Think of it as armour kind of for the paintwork itself. The key difference, ceramic coating is chemical protection and easy cleaning on the paintwork. Gloss PPF is a physical protection against impacts. Ceramic coating won't stop a stone chip, PPF will, but PPF on its own doesn't make washing easier or add as much gloss to the paintwork, where ceramic coating does. The cost comparison. Ceramic coating is £300 to £1,000 depending on the preparation and tier of the ceramic coating. PPF full front, bonnet, bumper, mirrors, £600 to £1,200. Now PPF for a full car is anywhere between £2,000 to £5,000 plus. PPF is more expensive because it is a very labour intensive process to apply. Now can you combine them together? You can indeed. In fact, many enthusiasts do both. An ideal setup, PPF on the high impact areas, the front bumpers, bonnet, mirrors and door edges, then ceramic coating over the entire car on the back end. It includes over the PPF as well, and you can get physical protection where you need it, plus the easy to clean and gloss benefits everywhere else. Now, who needs what? PPF is ideal if you do a lot of motorway driving, you live on a gravel or rural roads, and you have a brand new high value vehicle. Stone chips really bother you as well. That is another benefit to get PPF. Now, ceramic coating is ideal if you want easier washing, you want long lasting protection on the vehicle, you're less worried about the impact marks on the actual vehicle itself, and you're on a moderate budget. Now, both are ideal if you have a new and expensive car, you want maximum protection on the vehicle, and you are actually a vehicle enthusiast itself and you want to keep it in mint condition. Now, if you're not sure what you need, give us a call on 01670 334 140. We do offer both and we can advise based on your vehicle, driving and budget. I'm James from Hadrian's. I'll see you next time.